Hello and welcome back to the another video of SQL50 series. Today we are discuss another problem which is replace employee ID with the unique identifier. So till yet we solved the problems on a single table, but I think from now onward we solve the question on two or more tables. Basically we use the join concepts. Okay, so first of all we should have an idea about a table structure of a table. So we have given a two table, employees and employee UNI table. Employees table have a two column, ID and name, and employee UNI table has two column, ID and unique ID. In the first table, ID is the primary key, and second is in the second ID, and combination of ID and unit ID is the primary key. So what the question wants from us, the question is that write a solution to show the unique ID of each user. We have to show unique ID of each user. Okay. And if user does not have any unique ID, then replace just show null. Yeah, we if they have a unique ID, then show that unique ID. If they have not, just show the null at the place of unique ID. Okay, we have now yeah, we return the table with any order. We have no any concern about the order. Okay, so let's understand to the an example. First, we have given us some ID, name and ID in employee table, and in employee UNI also given a ID and unique ID. So as the question wants, we have to show all the names of the employees. That means all the data of employee ID should be in our the result table. Okay. So as we know, if I use employee as of my first table, then we use a left join because we need to show all the names. Okay. And if we perform left join on the employee UNI table with the condition uh, employee ID equals to employee UNI ID. If any employee ID is matched with employee UNI ID, that means they have some unique. Like if I am talking about suppose that 11 ID number 11. Now ID number 11 is matched with all the ID of employee UNI table. If uh, data is matched, that means if the condition we are applying like employee ID equals to employee UNI ID, that means if this data is matched with any of that data, then it's write the data of that on the resulted table. Okay, so first of all, check what happen if we write the query for left join. So select ID and name from, yes, name from employee table, and perform a left join on which table? Employee UNI, employee UNI table. On, first of all, I write as a small variable UI. On E dot, it means employee ID is equals to employee UNI ID. That means EUI dot ID. Also, I need to write here E dot ID, E dot name, and E dot EY dot unique ID. Let's see what we got. So as we see that we have in our result table we got id, name and unique id. We need to just show this one, we not need to show the id in the our answer. So let's change the little bit from here. In my result we need to first show unique id, after that name. So let just cut it from here and write e dot name. Now try to submit it. So yeah, it's done. So I hope you understand the. Thank you for watching this video. Keep learning, keep growing.